Introducing the Ego Power Plus Z6 42-inch zero-turn riding mower, powered by up to 6 10-amp-hour 56-volt ARC Lithium batteries, the same battery technology powering all Ego products. A ZTR like nothing else out there. Engineered with 22 horsepower, it reaches speeds of up to 8 miles per hour and covers up to 2 acres on a single charge. Customize the ride with 3 driving modes controlled by an LCD interface, while the hydraulic suspension seat gives a smooth ride guarantee. And with the industry's fastest charger, you'll be ready to go again in no time. The all-new Ego Power Plus Z6 42-inch zero-turn riding mower. It's everything but expected.